Hello and welcome to my channel Excelzilla. In this video we are going to understand the forecast formula. It's a very interesting and important formula to understand your business and to budget it accordingly. You can use this formula for your individual expenses as well, apart from your business requirement. As you can see on my screen, I have given example of years, month and quarter. So these figures are the sales figure of my organization, for an example, and I would like to know what would be my sales figure as per the forecast formula. So last 10 years data from 2010 to 2019, and we have months from January till June, and we have 2 quarters. So let us start with the formula with the first example of year. It's a very interesting formula, but remember this forecast will give you an average, not an exact, and will help you to identify your sales. So let's start with the formula. All formula will start with an equal to sign and forecast. Now over here it's asking you to give to the known y's and known x and what is the next. So let's understand what is the next, what are the known y's and what are the known x. So we are trying to achieve what will be the value of x. So the value is this 2020, because this is what we are trying to get an answer, comma, what are your known y's? So the known y's is in this table. So let's select this range, comma, and what are your known x? Since we are trying to achieve answer for x, so let's select this range and close. So as you can see, the Excel has given an approximate forecasting of 21,500 basis on the sales which had happened in the last 10 years. Let's move on to the second example of month wise. We'll do this in the same way. Equal to forecast give the x value, so x, this is what you need to find, comma, known y's, so the known y's is over here, your y, comma, and your known x, so your known x. So as you can see, for the 7th month it has forecasted $1,156. Similar way you can forecast for your quarter. So let's start forecasting the 3rd quarter. Equal to forecast, tab, knowing the x value, comma, known the y value, comma, and known the known x value. So as you can see, it has forecasted 3540 on the 3rd quarter. Remember, this is a sales forecast and it will forecast basis on your past trend. So as many numbers you have, it will help the Excel to find a good answer and appropriate answer. If you have any doubts related to this formula, please post under the comment box. Thank you.